Vietnam is the #1 backpacking destination on the planet right now. I spent a full month there and averaged $22 a day. Here is the exact breakdown. Hostel dorm, $6. Banh mi sandwich from a street cart, 80 cents. Vietnamese iced coffee, café soi da, $1. Bowl of po from a sidewalk stall, $1.60. Dinner, com tom, that's broken rice with pork, $3. Grab bike and local bus the whole day, $4. Temples, markets, free walking tours, $5. Total, $22.40. I saved a fortune on overnight buses between cities using the hacks from my overnight bus video. And my hostel rate in Hanoi? Negotiated monthly using a trick I covered separately. Both links are on screen. What country do you want me to break down next for under $25 a day? Comment below. The most requested destination becomes my next video.